Hi, what's your name? My name is Tom. How are you? I'm good, thank you. And you? I'm fine, thanks. Where are you from? I'm from Australia. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak a little English. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is green. How old are you? I'm 22 years old. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have one brother and one sister. What do you do? I'm a student. What time is it? It's 3. Where do you live? I live in London. Do you like coffee? Yes, I love coffee. How many apples are there? There are 4 apples. Is it hot today? Yes, it's really hot today. What are you doing? I'm reading a book. Can you swim? Yes, I can swim. What color is your car? My car is blue. Are you married? No, I'm single. What do you like to do in your free time? I like to listen to music. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a cat. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is sushi. Do you have a job? Yes, I work as a teacher. Can you play the guitar? No, I can't play the guitar. Where did you go yesterday? Yesterday, I went to the mall. What's the weather like? It's sunny. What did you eat for breakfast? I ate cereal and fruit. How do you go to school? I take the train to school. What's your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Inception. Do you like to travel? Yes, I love to travel. What's your dream job? My dream job is to be an architect. Do you like sports? Yes, I like playing basketball. What did you do last weekend? I went hiking in the mountains. How many languages do you speak? I speak 3 languages. Where is the nearest supermarket? It's on Elm Street, next to the library. What's your favorite season? My favorite season is autumn. Do you prefer tea or coffee? I prefer tea. How are you feeling today? I'm feeling a bit tired today. What's your favorite book? My favorite book is The Great Gatsby. Can you help me? Sure. What do you need? Where did you learn English? I learned English in school. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 6 a.m. Do you have any plans for the weekend? Yes, I'm going to visit my grandparents. Do you like to cook? Yes, I enjoy cooking. What's your favorite TV show? My favorite TV show is Breaking Bad. Can you drive a car? Yes, I can drive. What's your favorite type of music? I like rock music. Do you have a computer? Yes, I have a laptop. What color are your eyes? My eyes are blue. Do you like to dance? No, I'm not much of a dancer. What's your father's name? My father's name is Robert. How many rooms are there in your house? There are 6 rooms. Do you like ice cream? Yes, I love ice cream. What did you do for your last birthday? I went out to dinner with my friends. Do you exercise regularly? Yes, I try to exercise 3 times a week. Have you ever been to another country? Yes, I've been to Italy. What do you usually have for lunch? I usually have a salad. Do you prefer hot or cold weather? I prefer cold weather. What's your mother's name? My mother's name is Sarah. What's your favorite dessert? My favorite dessert is chocolate cake. How do you relax? I relax by meditating. What's your favorite drink? My favorite drink is iced tea. Are you good at drawing? No, I'm not very good at drawing. What's your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is mango. Do you prefer the city or the countryside? I prefer the city. Do you like to go shopping? Yes, I love shopping. What's your favorite vegetable? My favorite vegetable is spinach. Have you ever been on a boat? Yes, I have. Do you like to go to the beach? Yes, I love the beach. What's your favorite game? My favorite game is chess. How do you get to work? I take the bus to work. Do you have a garden? No, I don't have a garden. What's your favorite thing to do on weekends? I like going for long walks. Do you prefer do you prefer watching movies at home or in the cinema? I prefer watching movies at home. What's your favorite snack? My favorite snack is popcorn. Do you use social media? Yes, I use social media regularly. What's your favorite time of day? My favorite time of day is morning. Do you have a favorite restaurant? Yes, my favorite restaurant serves Thai food. Have you ever been to a concert? Yes, I've been to a few concerts. Do you prefer to travel by plane, train, or car? I prefer to travel by train. What color is your bedroom? My bedroom is light gray. What's your favorite thing to do with friends? I love playing board games with my friends. What's your favorite kind of pizza? I love vegetarian pizza. Do you have any plants at home? Yes. I have a few plants in my kitchen. What's your favorite day of the week? My favorite day is Sunday because I can sleep in. Do you like to write stories or poems? I like writing poems when I'm inspired. What's your favorite thing to wear? I love wearing dresses in the summer. What's your favorite fruit juice? My favorite juice is apple juice. Do you like to watch cartoons? Yes, I sometimes watch cartoons with my niece. Do you like taking photographs? Yes, I enjoy photography. Do you like to sing? Yes, I like singing in the shower, but I'm not very good at it. What did you buy from the store last time? I bought some snacks and drinks. Have you ever been to a zoo? Yes, I've visited the zoo several times. Do you have a best friend? Yes, my best friend's name is Emma. What's your favorite thing to do in the city? I love visiting art galleries. What was the last movie you saw? The last movie I saw was Avatar 2. What are you really good at? I'm really good at baking cakes. What's your favorite thing to do on a rainy day? I love curling up with a good book on rainy days. Do you like learning new things? Yes, I'm always curious and love learning. What's your favorite app on your phone? My favorite app is Instagram. Shall we catch up again next week? Yes, let's do that. Bye. Bye.